Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Wednesday, January 5th, 2011. The markets reversed the morning losses and ended up in positive direction. The Dow was up 1/4 point, the S&P 1/2, and the NASDAQ was a big winner, up 21 points or 3/4%. But the real news was that gold and silver actually came off of their morning lows. What's the story behind commodities and silver and gold? The CFTC futures chairman, or more correctly, commissioner, yesterday threw out the idea that we need to have position limits on the amount you can invest in or buy. That would be akin to if you're a billionaire and you wanted to buy $50 million of Microsoft stock, and the government came in and said, no, you can only buy $25 million because you're a speculator. They're trying to hold the prices down on commodities and metals. They're trying to put a lid on it. It's an artificial suppression, and it won't work. Just remember 2 months ago when they raised the margin requirements on silver? Silver sold off about $2 an ounce, or about 4 or 5%, literally in a day, and they did it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. By the next afternoon, silver was back to where it was and in a rally. So they repeated the process and once again raised the margin requirement just a week and a half later. Same result. Silver sold off for a day and then came back with a vengeance. I think the commissioner then realized if he kept doing that, he was going to tip his hand and people would see right through him. It would be obvious that he was trying to put a cap on precious metals prices. This is what they're trying to do, and they are focusing on the things that have run up the fastest, basically the food commodities and silver and gold. And what he said yesterday was, we will have an open forum, a discussion for 48 hours to the public about what the position sizes should be. So right now he's trying to jawbone and talk the gold and silver and commodities markets down. Then when that doesn't work, he may actually institute position sizes. This may cause a short-term pullback, but it'll give you a great opportunity to add to your positions of gold and silver and commodities. The Asian markets were down on the commodity sell-off, and the European markets were mixed with a bias to the downside. The Euro Stoxx 50 was down 1/3%. The two most important things, in my opinion, to watch over the next few days: number one, the municipalities and actually the states like Illinois that are on the brink of failure and bouncing checks. And number two, whether they have the chutzpah to follow through and actually try to limit position sizes on commodities and precious metals. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Wednesday, January 5th, 2011.